So you think you're priced out of the Nashville housing market, trying to get in at a good price, find a decent house? Well, you're not out of luck. Hi, I'm Jack Laron. I'm your Nashville area real estate agent, and today I'm coming from a property here in East Nashville, just off of Gallatin Pike, that comes in a tick under $300,000, and it is a remodeled house in a very desirable area. Reminds me a lot of East Austin, where I spend a lot of my time as well. And there are some good opportunities to get into some houses as a starter home, but there are also a lot of opportunities to mess up and get something that you did not realize you were buying. This house is not that. It's been completely remodeled, and we're gonna do a walkthrough of this. But if you have any questions, here's my name, my phone number. Please contact me. I'd like to help you out with the process. I have a background in remodeling, development, design, so I can spot things that most other agents can't spot, especially if somebody's trying to put lipstick on a pig. Again, that's not this property. This one seems to be done pretty immaculate and done on par. But I'd like to help you out with your search. This particular house, like I said, is in East Nashville. I support Nashville, Franklin, Brentwood, Fairview. A lot of areas of new construction is going on, but a lot of people like to move into this area here because it's close to downtown and sort of an artsy environment. So let's do a walk around of this. Again, my contact information is right here. If you got any questions, please let me know. Thank you. So this particular house is just under 800 square feet. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house. So when you walk through the front door, you have a living area. You'll notice new flooring, fresh paint. This one's got a slightly modified ceiling, which is really great. It's kind of semi-vaulted, but it gives a good delineation between the living space here and then the kitchen over there. They have it staged in here really nicely. Got front window. This is about noon here in Nashville, so you can see the light coming through. New doors, even in the interior doors are new. New handles, trim on the floor, trim around the door. Little cloak closet when you walk in. Replaced the lighting in here. Again, this is staged. Coming to the kitchen, you got this 2-person little bar area. Pendant lights hanging down over the bar. Again, delineation between the living and the kitchen area. Walk in here to your right, you see the continuation of the floors, which manufactured floors. Area for your refrigerator. Cabinets all the way around. They did them up to the ceiling, which is great. And they did the trim out work around the cabinets, so that shows some attention to detail. See if they're quiet close. Yes, quiet close cabinets. About the drawers. Quiet closed drawers. Brand new range. Tile backsplash. Brand new microwave. The color of this brass pull matches the color inserts on the tile, so attention to detail there. New single bowl sink. No garbage disposal, but that's all right. GFI on the outlets. Here's your space for your washer and dryer. See brand new hookups for the water. They've even included cabinets for extra storage over the washer and dryer. Recessed lighting, pendant lighting over the sink. That's this one over here. Very nice. And again, looking out from the kitchen, across the bar area, again, where you've got more cabinetry, living area. All right. Out to the backyard. We just had some snow, so brand new deck, as you can see, and then enclosed fence, brand new, all around the backyard. Behind you is a ditch with a water area, so you won't have houses being built in this ditch. Got a little bit of storage here on the outside, red brick. Again, new door, exterior door, so redid that. New countertops, looks like Can't think of the stone material. It's come to me at some point. It's not granite, but it's starts with a C. I can't remember off the top of my head. New dishwasher. All right. Let's walk into here. Hallway. Storage. You can trim around that. There's your water heater, HVAC system. Go down the hallway. Again, trim here on the doors. Brand new door leading into one of the bedrooms off the left side. So this is the front bedroom up to the street. Again, plenty of light, fresh paint, recessed lighting, new ceiling fan, new interior closet doors to match the door coming into the bedroom. Painted closet space, pretty decent access to the attic. Nice baseboard around the floor. Windows look upgraded to help with the heating and the cooling. Outlet. Walk out of this bedroom to your left. Brand new bathroom. All right. Again, new interior door. Flooring continues into the bathroom. New toilet, new sink. Shower tub combo, tile up to the ceiling, which I like, versus going part of the way up and doing paint, because that paint always tends to peel. Matching rain head, shower head on there with faucet. New toilet. I did not put that up like that, but that's the way it was. New lighting. Does need a mirror though. It does not have one, but you can put your own mirror in here. Come out of the bathroom. New thermostat, smoke detector. Go into the second bedroom. Again, ceiling fan, recessed lighting, baseboard, paint. This window looks out over the backyard, so it'd be opposite side of the street. Should have done screens over on that. The one little tore up, but something you can do. Again, interior closet. Not bad space. Again, just under 800 square feet in here. This property would come in over $300 a square foot. But great little starter property. And for the rehab on this has not been done as a DIY. It looks like somebody who knows what they're doing, but I always encourage to get an inspection done to see what you can't see otherwise. But great opportunity to get in here into East Nashville, not too far from downtown, right off of Gallatin Pike and Riverside Drive. I like the ceilings in here. They vault up, gives you a little bit more volume and sense of space. But great little property. If you've got any questions about anything you've seen here, here's my phone number right here. You can always make a comment down below. If there's something that you would like me to show you that you haven't seen yet, please contact me or reach out. Hope you've enjoyed this home tour. My name is Jack Laron, your Nashville area real estate agent, and I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.